1. Yawning is so contagious, even thinking about it can make you do it. Bet you just did. 2. Yawning is like your brain's way of stretching its legs. 3. Yawning is the body's version of a reboot button. 4. Yawning is the only exercise some people get in a day. 5. Yawning in a meeting is just your brain screaming for fresh air. 6. Yawning is your body's way of saying, I'm bored of this conversation. 7. Yawning can cool your brain. Who knew brains needed air conditioning? 8. If yawning were an Olympic sport, we'd all be gold medalists. 9. Yawning might be your body's way of saying it needs a nap ... or a vacation. 10. Dogs yawn to calm themselves down. Turns out, humans aren't that different.